Okay, let's see if we can talk about the math of assembly language for a second. So, to start out, we already know the decimal number system, and what we're going to learn is the hexadecimal, abbreviated as just hex. I'm sorry, I need to turn this off. Get out of here. Okay. Hex, and that's the base 16 number system. So, we put a little 16 down here, usually without parentheses, and it's the 16 base number system. As you can see, there are 15 plus 0, so we always have a 0, and then we go all the way up to, it's going to be F. And then I'll show you binary. You may be familiar with binary already. Alright, so just draw, that's not very straight, but it'll work. Okay. Do this. I know there's lines in Microsoft Paint. Okay. So decimal, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. In hexadecimal, it'll be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, goes with the 5, 6 with the 6, 7, 8, 9, and instead of 10, A. Instead of B, instead of 11, there'll be a B. Instead of 12, C. Instead of 13, D. Instead of 14, E. And E and 14 kind of look the same because they're both squarish. And F always reminded me of 5 anyway, so hopefully that'll be a little reminder. Binary. 0, right? 1. Okay. And 2 is 1, 0, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 0, 0. 5. 1, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. 7, 1, 1, 1. 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, sure you're getting tired of my voice. So as you can see, the largest amount of bits, we only ever need 4 to represent the largest number in hex, and that always works. So what we can do, I like this color, is use use a binary number and then convert that to hex. So 1010, well, that's just, we group these 4. See, so that's A in hex. And what we're going to see is that we have like some 32-bit huge binary number. Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits so far. Let me just go ahead and make this 8. This is not 6 bits, I'm sorry. This is 4 times 6, which is 24 bits. I'm trying to make 32. Alright, so if I have 8 hex numbers, then that makes 32. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then see if you can get a little practice in naming what these are. So pause the video, give what you think that they are. You can even look over here, and when you press play, I'll give you the answer. So go. Alright, so the answer is, for this one, this is going to be a 5, because you have 2 to the 0 power, 2 to the first power, and then 2 to the second power. We know that's 4 plus 2 to the 0 is 1, 5. Alright, so you can do that for all of these. Okay, so If you didn't get it the first time, go back, try again. Here we go. Alright, so 1011, that's a B. Alright, this is 2, 1, another B. Okay, this is 4, B, and then 8. Okay, good job. Alright, now, so what we're going to look at in the next video is doing a little bit of math. We're going to do addition first because it's simpler, and we're going to talk about the limits of the computer's knowledge, okay, and how do we represent negative numbers in the computer, and some more things like that. So when you come back, we'll talk about that.